Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tech with Jabs. So, today I'm going to be encouraging you to start your YouTube channel. So, it doesn't really matter to me whether you are a doctor, whether you're a teacher, whatever you do, whether you're a businessman, whatever, start your YouTube channel today. And the reason I say this is YouTube has the ability to make people smarter. And I say this because I've seen it since I started my YouTube channel. What often happens is I'll be walking, just going for a short walk, and I'll find myself thinking of creative ways to grow my YouTube channel. So YouTube really helps you think outside the box. And I think that is invaluable. I know when many people think about YouTube, they start thinking about getting monetized and all those things, but they forget about the invaluable skills that you learn. So whether you are in editing, whether you are in copywriting or whatever you do, just make sure that you start your YouTube channel and don't be concerned about quality initially. I know that it is something to think about as you grow, but use what you have and start uploading. You'll be amazed at different skills that you learn. So the great thing about YouTube is it basically trains both the left and right sides of your brain. You literally cannot go wrong. These are the skills of the future. The YouTube platform trains you for the skills of the future. You learn patience because growing your YouTube channel takes time, and you learn to try different things. You learn to fail at different things and then to get back up and continue to improve. The lessons are really, really invaluable, and I wouldn't trade them for the world. And the great thing is, as you try different things, you start to see your channel start to pick up, and you see even something as simple as more views, etc. And there's really nothing like it, and that's definitely one of the things that I'd actually recommend. Start your YouTube channel today, people. I do not know what you are waiting for. Many people say they don't have time. You don't have to upload long videos. Just upload what you can, and do not be worried about the devices that you use. Use what you have, as long as it's a start. But make your start. And I really must stress this: make your start and start your YouTube channel today. And use whatever skills you have, whatever interests you. Just start talking about it, and you'll find that there are people out there that are interested in it. And just one big thing to note though is just be yourself. I know many people often say that YouTube is oversaturated now. Yeah, yeah, you can say that, but you are a unique individual. So the world will never be oversaturated if you still exist. So just start your YouTube channel, and you'll be amazed what skills you will learn. Don't focus on being monetized. Being monetized is, yeah, it's a good thing. It's always a good thing. But what I can say is the skills that you learn are even more invaluable. These are literally the skills of the future. Literally the skills of the future. All of them. You look at them, from the communication, from the growing of networks, from the uploading of videos, from editing, from sometimes you don't even do editing and you ask other people to edit for you. So the delegation, etc. There is just so much to learn from them. Oh, and another thing to notice was many people are often concerned about basic things like the fear of being ridiculed, etc. I mean, it even trains you on that. I mean, you have to work past and look past your insecurities and start focusing mainly on the things that matter. So for me personally, I would say that there is no other way but to start your YouTube channel. People will always have opinions, and that doesn't really matter as long as you are pushing forward. They can insult you, they can say whatever. Personally, I don't know, maybe it's because it's how I was built. I couldn't care less what people say about me. As long as I know that I'm producing value, that's good enough for me. I guess maybe if people go into this for the wrong reasons and their goal is to be celebrities or whatever, maybe then you start to get offended when people make negative comments, etc., etc. I personally couldn't care less. When I started my channel, the main focus has always been to see how we can empower people, especially during these tough economic times, and to see people grow. What I'd love to hear is for someone to say, "Hey, I watched your channel and I was really discouraged, and I woke up and I was like, hey, let me try to do this." And I tried it for a year, it didn't work, and then on the second year it worked and it's taken off. And that's really what really excites me. All I can say is start your YouTube channel today. I cannot stress this enough. Don't be slow about it, guys. And I know the thing about it, you tell yourself, I'll start it tomorrow or the next day. No, 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 start it today. Try find a phone if you don't have one, or the next time you use your mother's phone, use your uncle's phone, use whoever's phone. or the next time you get a phone, the main focus of the specs of the phone should literally be what decent camera quality, good audio, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this little, I'll call it a little mini episode, but I found it to be something that I needed to say because I really think people should start. And the great thing is, I wish I had actually started YouTube years ago. The sooner the better. Imagine the lessons I would have learned by now, in fact. Things that I'm learning now, I probably would have learned about 10 years ago. So that's why I'm encouraging you to start as soon as possible. Don't make excuses about phones that you don't have, or use your friend's phone. Use something and upload your content. We are all gifted with different things. People, we have different talents. Use those different talents to start your YouTube channel, and you'll never know. For you, it might take you 3 videos, and people are like, nope, we love this content. Anyway, please be sure to like, comment, and to subscribe. See you on the next episode.